if there's one data role that really requires you to have a good understanding of cloud computing, it has to be data engineering, right? Because remember, as a data engineer, you're responsible for managing the infrastructure that your data people need in order to interact with the data. You set up the entire infrastructure and you make sure that all the things are working and all of that. So as a data engineer, because now companies are moving to the cloud, that means a lot of the data is being stored to the cloud. You would often be required to really be good on AWS data tools, on Azure data tools, because those are the tools that a lot of companies are going to be adopting. Because I've seen quite a lot of the companies migrating into these cloud platforms, and their data engineers had to essentially manage the infrastructure, ensure that it's working as it should. So if your company is doing a migration and you don't know cloud computing, you're going to have problems, because once you shift into that environment, the way things are done are sort of different. And for those that are aspiring to be data engineers someday, it's having cloud computing skills is a fundamental requirement, because you are managing the data assets in a cloud environment, and configuring all of that requires you to really have a good understanding of cloud computing. If you look at most of the let's say cloud engineers or data engineers, you'll see that they either working with AWS quite a lot or working with Azure quite a lot, and a lot of those tools are essentially cloud native.